Good morning and welcome, it's Ben Cooper here from Berthon, and we're going to do a walk around tour of the 2005 Swan 53 GAIA. Although she's a 2005 yacht, she's only in her third ownership and has benefited from a large refit in 2023, which included new standing rigging, new paint on the top sides, new teak on the cockpit and the coach roof, new lithium battery bank for the house batteries, and many more upgrades that we'll visit later on. The later version of the Swan 53 moved away from the bridge deck and has a large and sociable cockpit with twin wheels that allow easy access to the transom steps and the bathing platform. GAIA is specified for short-handed performance cruising with furling boom and lots of space to relax. The carbon mast and furling boom were repainted in the refit, and all the halyards and running rigging replaced, along with the wiring throughout and a replacement electric motor for the in-boom furling. As I mentioned earlier, the coach roof teak has been replaced and side decks have been also recaulked and refreshed and looking very sharp indeed. For cruising, she's got the twin bow rollers and the spare anchor is stored aft at the moment. The port bow roller also doubles as the support for the removable bowsprit for the asymmetric spinnakers. These can also be flown from the standing block if you wish when cruising. I would show you the bow locker, but I didn't unlock it. We'll return to that in a short while. Apologies for that. We'll walk back down the port side and I'll just show you the new helm bimini, which also cleverly houses the new solar panels, which easily zip on and off. On the way back to the bow, I'll just show you also the cabin top lounge area. These cushions fit in well around the life raft stowage. There's also an additional large bimini that covers the cockpit. We'll have a quick dive into the bow locker where you can see the new Lumar windlass and running rigging stored out of the sun. So let's go and have a look at the interior. She has a very open plan saloon, cushions replaced, and also have crew covers. Now into the enormous owner's cabin that stretches the full width of the yacht and further forwards to the crew cabin. You can clearly see the majority of the yacht's equipment is stored here at the moment. Please do have a look at the photos online to see in more detail the berth on the port side and the sink area. A nice feature of this yacht is the full width heads and shower with a lovely ceiling mounted rain shower, ideal for the taller ones. The forward main cabin is one of the many USPs of this yacht. It is relatively cavernous for this size of yacht, stretching the full width. If you like to work on board, there is a small desk that also doubles as a vanity desk, huge amounts of stowage, large double berth with new mattress, and also an additional sea berth on the sofa by using the hidden trotter box. All cabins, including the skipper's, have air conditioning outlets and individual controls, which is a must for the Med or the Caribbean. Back into the saloon, the comfortable chart table houses the master B&G unit. She also has 2 slave units at the helms. These were all new in 2023, along with the additional B&G displays above the companionway and on the aft face of the mast. The saloon table comfortably seats up to 10 and has protective covers for both the table and the cushions. The refurbished Fisher Panda generator is located underneath the central seat and is very quiet. Spinning around to the galley with plenty of handholds and located at the sweet spot of minimal movement at sea, GAIA does not have any gas on board. New induction oven and hob was fitted in the 2023 refit. Plenty of storage capacity with the 3 fridge freezers and cupboard space, high and low. The aft cabins are particularly comfortable. Starboard side is a bit lower than port side due to the deck locker, but both have full standing headroom. Air conditioning and mattresses are in excellent condition. In the port cabin you can see extra storage on the hull side and a quick look there at the solar panels that go onto the helm bimini. Also a quick look at the aft heads. Both heads are freshwater flushing and electric. The aft heads has a shower and hanging locker also. I hope you've enjoyed the rather quick walk through GAIA. Please do visit the webpage or contact me for more information and detailed photos of this very beautiful and well refitted Swan 53.